Let us see how to create a 2D drafting. Draw the rectangle and draw the circle. Draw one more rectangle. Draw one more rectangle. Create a circle and trim all the internal objects. Now start dimensioning. These are all the standard dimension. Let us see how to convert this dimension into annotative dimensions. First apply all the dimensions. Now select all the dimensions and convert this into annotative dimensions. Select annotative. Now change the annotative scale. This will zoom the dimensions only and not the drawing. Thank you.